Hi! In this video, we're going to talk about how to cast shadows onto a plan and an interior elevation. Let's get started. On your screen, you see the plan for our project. This is a small home office. It's got one window here to the left. Directly above the plan, we're showing the interior elevation of this back wall. I'm also showing the window in section. So here is the height of the window sill, and here's the height of the window head. We also know that this project is in the San Francisco Bay Area, so it's at 38 degrees latitude. We've chosen a date and time which give us an altitude, a solar altitude of 45 degrees and a solar azimuth of 30 degrees. And I've given myself some pre-drawn angles over here. You'll use your triangle. The last piece of information you need to know is here with the north arrow. We've determined that north is to the right in this plan view, and therefore our window is facing to the south. So the first thing you'd like to do is draw a guideline from your window and up 30 degrees, because the light is coming in through this window at a 30-degree angle, and it will fall on your floor in that angle. And let me zoom in on that. Okay. And then next you'll want to draw a second guideline, again 30 degrees, from this top corner of your window. Okay. So you have two guidelines representing the sun coming in through that window and striking the floor of your plan. Zoom back out. Next, I'd like you to take a look at the interior elevation. The sun is coming down this way at a 45-degree angle. Therefore, we're going to, similar to the plan, we're going to draw a 45-degree angle from this window sill down to the floor. I've got one right here. And let me zoom in. The sun falls through the window and comes and hits the floor right there. Next, do the same for the window head. Okay. So this is representing the sun outside, and it's shining down into your room and hitting the floor in this section right here. Let me zoom back out. The next thing you want to do is find the point on the floor where the sun shines. So right here, and let me draw a little circle, that point. And then again right here, that point right there. And we're going to transfer them down to the plan using guidelines. So take that intersection and draw it straight down. And again, this intersection, straight down. Okay. When the sun is coming through this window and falls on the floor, this portion of it is blocked by the sill, the wall that's below the window. This portion up here is blocked by the window head. So we end up with a ray of light, basically a big sunbeam, that looks like this. And I'm just outlining that sunbeam right now. Okay, let's see if I can give it a color. Yep, here's our sunbeam. And everything else in the room, it does not have a direct sunbeam. It's in shade. Now let's scroll back up and take a look at the wall. If you see right here, this piece right there, your sunbeam is hitting the side wall of your room. So we are going to take that guideline and then take a guideline from right here where this 30 degrees hit the wall. By the way, it doesn't matter that what this 45-degree thing is doing. That is, it just happens to intersect right there. And we go up here and take a look. We've got a little bit of sun on the wall right in this triangle, that tiny triangle. Let's see if I can highlight that for you. There you go. Zooming back out. Given the altitude and azimuth of the sun on this particular day, time, and latitude, and given this exact window configuration, here is where the sun is going to land in our room. It's going to be on the floor in this shape here, and it's going to be on the wall in this little triangle here. I hope this was helpful. Stay tuned. In the next video, I'm going to give you an example of how to add furniture to your room. See you soon.